Updating locations on your map is easy with the import feature. Here's how it works. First, open the import menu and export the data from the map you want to update. Make sure all changes are published beforehand so the exported file is fully up to date. Let's start with how to edit locations. Open the file in your preferred spreadsheet program. We'll use Google Sheets in this example. You can now start editing your locations. Mapme uses the Map ID column to identify each location, so don't change anything in that column. Feel free to edit or add information in any of the other fields. For example, you can change a location's name, add a short description, or assign an additional category. To delete a location, simply remove the entire row. Pro tip: don't leave the map ID in the file. If it's still there, the location will remain on the map. Once you're done editing, download the file as a CSV or Excel file and import it back into your map. Review your data, confirm the import, and your map will be updated. Now let's look at how to add new locations to an existing map. If you only want to add new locations and not edit any existing ones, there's no need to export the map. Just upload your file. You'll see a summary of your data and be prompted to choose between Add or Sync. Choose Add. This will keep all existing locations and simply add the new ones. If you want to both add new locations and edit existing ones, export the map first. Open the file, make your changes, and add the new locations at the bottom of the sheet. Leave the map ID field blank for new entries. Then upload the file and review your data. You'll again be asked to choose Add or Sync. Add will update existing entries and add new ones. It won't remove anything, even if it's not in the file. Sync will make the map match your file exactly. It will delete any locations not in the sheet, update existing ones, and add new ones. Since we're adding a new location and deleting another, we'll choose Sync. And that's it. You've successfully edited your map using the import feature. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out using the chat button